Welcome to my channel. Today also I came with one of the very interesting questions. As you can see here, the question is triangle ABC and triangle CDE are equilateral triangles. Triangle ABC and CDE are equilateral triangles. AE and BD are joined. AE and BD are joined, and it is asked to find this angle. It is asked to find the measures of this angle. So if you want to try these questions, just pause the video, give it a try. Whenever you are ready, keep watching. So let's start how to solve these questions. As we know, the triangle CDE is an equilateral triangle. So this angle will be 60 degree, and these angles also will be 60 degree, and this whole also will be 60 degree. Here also we do have this angle 60 degree, this angle 60 degree, and this whole angle 60 degree. Because as we know that each angles of equilateral triangles are of 60 degree. So this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, this is also 60, this is 60, and this one is 60, this one is 60. So each angles of equilateral triangles are 60 degree here. Now as you can see, the angle BCE is a straight angle. Angle BC is a straight angle. So this angle is 60 degree, this angle is also 60 degree. So it means this angles also should be 60 degree, because as we know that the sum of this all angles will be 180. So 60 plus 60 means 120, and 120 plus 60 means it's 180. Therefore we can write here that the angle DCA is also 60 degree. Okay, so these angles also become 60 degree. Now we can take the triangles in triangle AEC and triangle BCD. Just see these two triangles. I am going to take the triangles AEC, this triangle, and BCD, these triangles. So if we see these two triangles, then we can see here these two triangles are congruent. How? Because you can see here sides EC is equal to its being DC sides EC is equal to DC. This is given, as you can see the sides EC and DC are equal, because these both sides are the sides of equilateral triangle. And two number as you can see, this whole angle 60 plus 60, this whole angle ECA, angle ECA is equal to angle BCD is equal to angle 120 degree. This is also given here. This is also, as you can see in the figure, that the angle ECA 60 plus 60 120, angle BCD 60 plus 60 120. So these both angles are being 120 here. Therefore I have written here the angle ECA is equal to angle BCD is equal to 120 degree. Now the next thing, as you can see here, sides AC and the sides BC are equal here. So we can write here the sides AC is equal to sides BC. This is also given because the sides AC and BC both are the sides of equilateral triangle. So finally these two triangles becomes congruent by the axiom SAS, sides angle sides. So these two triangles are being congruent here by SAS axiom. So we can write here in 2 number that the triangle AEC is congruent with triangle BCD. Reason, what we can write here, by side angle side axiom. Okay, as you can see, sides angle sides angle sides. So side angle side angle side. by this axiom these two triangles becomes congruent. Now in 3 number we can write here that the angle AEC is equal to angle CDB is equal to theta. So the angle AEC means this angle, and angle CDB this angle. Yes. So these two angles are equal here. As you can see, these two angles are equal, and I have let these both angles as theta here. I have let these both angles as theta here. And why they becomes equal? The reason is corresponding angle. Sorry, side note. Corresponding angle of congruent triangles are equal, being corresponding angles equal. So these two angles becomes equal here. So this angle is theta and this angle is also theta because we have let it here. We have let it here theta. So these two angles becomes equal. This angles and this angles becomes equal, as you can see here. And why they becomes equal? Because we know that the corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal. So these both angles are the corresponding angles of the triangles. So they becomes equal, and I have let these both angles as theta here. Okay. Now we will find this angle. We will find the angle DBC. So if we find the angle DBC, if we find the angle DBC, then angle DBC is equal to, this will be 180 degree minus theta plus 60 plus 60. If we find this angle, then this angle is equal to 180 minus this angle plus this angle. I mean to say, if we find this angle DBC, angle DBC will be here. If we let this angles as alpha, then A is equal to it will be here at 180 degree minus this angle theta minus this angle, this whole angle, that is 60 plus 60, that is 120. So 180 minus theta minus 60 means 120. So 180 minus 120 means it's a 60 minus theta. So finally this angles is being here 60 minus theta. So we can write here that minus theta minus 60 minus 60. So that is equal to 180 minus 120 minus theta, that is equal to 60 minus theta. So we got this angles, angle DBC, as 60 minus theta. So this angles becomes here, this angles becomes 60 minus theta. Now we will see the triangles BEF, because actually we have to find this angle. So to find these angles, we need to find these angles. If we will be able to find these angles, then we can easily find these angles, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles, and as we know that the vertically opposite angles are equal. So let's try to find these angles. So if we see the triangles BEF, in triangles we can write here, in triangle BEF, in this triangle angle BFE, angle BFE in this angle is equal to 180 minus this angle minus this angle. Okay, in these triangles this angle is equal to, we can find these angles by subtracting these both angles from 180 degree, because as we know that the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. So we are going to find this angle. So this angle is equal to 180 minus this angle and this angle. So 180 minus this angle is theta, and minus this angle is 60 minus theta. So let's minus this. So we'll write here 180 degree minus one angle is theta minus other angle is 60 degree minus theta. So let's subtract them. So angle is 180 minus theta minus, if we open it with minus sign, then we will have here minus 60 degree minus plus theta. So plus theta and minus theta we can cancel here. 180 minus 60 means it's a 120 degree. So the angle BFE, is being 120 degree. It means this this angle is being 120 degree, this angle is being 120 degree, so this angles also will be 120 degree, because these angles and these angles are vertically opposite angles. So we can write angle DFA is equal to 120 degree, being vertically opposite angles. So this is our final answer. So in this way we can solve these questions. I hope you all guys have understood these questions. If you like this video, then like it and comment below, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.